AI agents have primarily these six important features. So I would like to talk about them. So firstly, they are autonomous, means they can function without any human guidance or human input. They can react to their environmental shifts swiftly and proactively take actions for the future requirements and anticipate the requirements in the future. Thirdly, they have learning ability and they can adapt and refine their actions to achieve the goals that they have set. They can socialize with other agents and humans, and most importantly they can do so in natural language. And lastly, the other important feature is it is mobile, means it can operate across multiple platforms and environments, not restricted to any single one of them. Agents have just begun their activities, and their impact is just kind of like the tip of the iceberg that we can see. The impact would be huge across various industries. Like for healthcare, right now we can anticipate that they would be helping in administrative tasks and making decisions, and there could be mental help AI agents that can conduct therapy sessions. So one of the key player is Sully AI, who is currently helping out patients with their agentic chatbots with the administrative stuff. They can take notes and they can do the initial diagnosis to help out the doctors.